Julie May, look. I don't carry cookies. Karaoke. No, do you like to karaoke? No, you don't like to karaoke. Water. Treaty. Pineapple orange segment. What segment? I cannot hold it all. We have some good news for you out there. Did you know that this lady right here, she is very beautiful, like a Mechanician lady. Kotalikon. Pipito. 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 Pipito, can I have your monkey? Pipito. Pipito, the one in the party, yeah? Pipito, can I have your monkey?
Oh, that queen.
That Korean good, dude. We're gonna add a picture at the end, you know?
You know, there's a guy.
This guy named Ulyus. Or Patsu, you know? Nickname Patsu. Or Korean dude. Pat Korean.
Our names are not Filipino like. See, Florile.
It's just like a Hawaiian name, like mine.
You know, Lele.
Like what about Danny?
Len is
It is like Chinese. No, Chinese.
quiet.
I'm quiet now because I'm gonna watch our show. Okay? It's 4th of July. We didn't get to watch the.
Yeah, you're going down.
We didn't get to watch the fireworks, but we saw a little bit.
No, we made our own fire.
We made our own fireworks. You wanna see
I don't know what song she's playing, but
whatever song she's playing,
I hope you like it.
I hope it's not leaving.
It is, yeah.
It is probably.
So, who's a shout out for today?
What?
We need a shout out.
Oh, shout out to who? Let's give a shout out to Marjorie. Oh snap! She's not. What happened to her? Yo, old babe. Yo, chicken-laxin. We like to party every night, every day, honey. Okay, this is okay. Okay, I'm gonna do my best impression of Pipito. I'll do my hello, everybody. This is Pipito. I like to eat my bugoong and mango every Saturday morning. Walang Bernie. Today's drama. Nagsaksikit. Di po siya. Ang wanti. Ang wanti kay na ito. Awan nagkakayat ni dito yung babae. Awan kayat. Awan nagkayat. Awan nagkayat. Awan nag-araw. Awan nag-araw dito. Naglas.
Sanjay, karaya. With the kalabaw.
Adat, agplot, titaking. Agplot, titaking. You in the danum.
Fish is selfish.
Fish is gonna die because of the utut. Taking jeans with the fur. Apple bottom jeans with the ear with the fur. Aisha. What? Hi. Shut up and let me go. Oh, hi. Okay, one more minute. 4 more minutes to say the word. I don't give
Kanta naman. Oh, kanta ka ni.
Michael, you get good voice. Michael.
Hey, hello. Kanta kayo nga.
Don't be shy.